Hi friends, welcome to Ansel. So today it is the 56th episode in the biology series. So today we are still going to continue the immunology series inside the biology. It is not technically a series but kind of a series. So today we are exiting like the types of cells and those, and we are entering the different types of cells like the separate cells. Yes. So today we are going to discuss about the macrophage, one of the most important of the immune cells, and it is the first defense if any infection occurs. Yes, so macrophages are very important. So the first main thing is they are pretty large compared to a normal human cell. So if a human cell is the size of an exact human, then the macrophage will be the size of a large rhinoceros. That's a pretty large thing, a pretty large cell compared to the other smaller cells. Yes, even the neutrophils, which it calls, are pretty much the size of the human also. Yes, so let's just draw the macrophage. So it also has like tentacles to reach out and take bacteria into it. So first, these macrophages are a type of cells called phagocytes. Yes. So wait, I will going to explain it after I just draw this. So this is acute macrophage, but still a ginormous macrophage. Yes. So look at this, a beautiful macrophage just doing its business, just walking around even though it doesn't have any legs. Yes. So first, a phagocyte is like a type of cell which ingests anything and just with acids it eats it. Yes. So for example, so here is the macrophage, and with its tentacles it just got hold of a small bacteria. Here is the bacteria with its long tentacles. Let's just put a B. Yeah. So that is the bacteria. So this is stage 1. So first in stage 1, the macrophage just gets a hold of the bacteria. It just holds it. So think of this marker as the bacteria and me as the macrophage. But I can't eat it because I'll die. Yes. So next, it just ingests it into a pocket. So it kind of just eats it. So this is the second phase. So next, inside some lysosomes, there are just acids roaming around in some of these pockets. So next, these acid pockets are let into the pocket in which the bacteria is there, and the acids are released into the bacteria, and the bacteria leads a bad fate. Yes, the marker dies. Yes. So that is simply what happens inside these phagocytes. Yes. So that's very simple, and they just eat them, and then inside their body they just digest them with acids. Wait a second, that's just the same way that humans eat, right? We eat something, then it goes into our stomach and acids eat them. Okay. So these macrophages, so after killing many of these bacteria, they will just get tired. So even before they get tired, they are just calling the neutrophils, which are just chilling inside the bloodstream, just walking around. And finally, we got an attack. All neutrophils go to that attack zone, and that happens. So everybody goes there. So they just call neutrophils into the battlefield, as well as the complement system, which are just a lot of tiny proteins which somehow work together to just kill bacteria. I don't know how, but that's amazing for just proteins. It's too complicated for human brains. Yes. So, and then these macrophages also cause inflammation, not inflation. Yes. So like before the attack, after the attack. That happens. That's very bad. Yes. So the plasma inside our blood just goes outside and everything becomes larger. It swells, to say simply. And then there's a bulb here. Yes. So and inside this region only there's a bacteria being, there are a lot of macrophages and immune cells fighting bacteria inside that small bulb. Yes, most likely if there's a cut, the bulb will form. Yes. So yeah, the macrophages can also be formed by smaller cells called monocytes. So these monocytes are stored inside the spleen, which is like a storage facility of many immune cells. Yes. So when the monocytes are ready for battle, they will turn into the one and only humongous macrophage. The monocytes are pretty small, just like a normal human cell, but when they convert, they become humongous, 2 times the size of the normal human cell. As you know, because I always said like at 1000 years ago at the start of the video. Yeah. So the macrophages are pretty simple. Yes. So next, the neutrophils and all of those are pretty much suicide warriors. So they don't care if the enemy is if they are killing the enemy or even the pathogens. They just throw acids everywhere, even if it is at their own body. Yeah, that is called friendly fire or collateral damage. So yeah, in another episode we're going to talk about the neutrophils. So this is for today about the macrophage. Bye.